What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back again with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at the Beats by Dre Beats Solo 4. Ugh, there we go. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Man, you know I always love a beautiful packaging or a beautiful boxing. Like, this is beautiful. Like, are they still partnered with Apple? I think Beats and Apple had a partnership years ago. This looks like some iPhone or iPad type packaging, but yes, this is beautiful. They came correct. And of course, this is coming in at gold and black. So yeah, and if you're wondering why the hat is in the picture, that's because, you know, for aesthetic reasons, you know, Dr. Dre, Beats by Dre. I think he's from California, if I believe. Los Angeles Dodgers, California, you know, things of that nature. But yeah, and you get the picture. And of course, the Xbox Ally, you have to have a good pair of headphones when you're on the airplane or you're out of town, when you're sitting back and you're trying to game. These right here with that, oh my god. Oh, son, like, this is, yes, this is official right here. So the purpose of this video, we're just going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to get in depth on the specs and things like that. We're just going to do an unboxing. So first of all, let's take a look at the front. Of course, Beats by Dre logo, black and gold color. Nice unboxing, like nice. Like, yes, we're keeping this box. We're most definitely, like, bruh, we keeping this box. So take a look at the back. Let's look at some of the specs here. Wireless on-ear headphones, what comes with cables and a case. We'll take a look at that when we get it unboxed. Powerful balanced sound with spatial audio. So maybe it has some DTS or some Dolby Digital Pro Logic type audio synchronization. We'll take a look at that when we, you know, well, I'm not going to get into specs. I'm not going to test it and things like that. This is the purpose of this video, just do an unboxing. But anyways, next thing on the list, up to 50-hour battery life. Like, bruh, 50 hours, let's go. Enhanced Apple and Android capabilities, unlimited wired playback. And of course, down here we got your Android, iPhone, Apple logos, things of that nature. But yes, beautiful presentation. Beats can, for what you're paying for, yeah, it better come with a nice presentation, right? So all right, let's get this opened up. Pretty straightforward. I'm assuming we'll peel this off, this sleeve will come out, then we'll be able to open it. So let's do that real quick. Ugh, let's go. So let's see here. Let's go. We're going to keep this for advertising purposes. So let's just yeah. All right, so here's this casing or whatever, and this is good too, just to kind of keep for protection reasons when you're not using it. So definitely hold on to this. It's nice and there's like a nice expensive foam material. Like, I don't know if you can hear that. Yes, that's quality. That's quality. So let's get it out the packaging. Let's see here. Let's go. Bruh, they Beats, I see y'all. Dr. Dre, I see you. Anyways, you know, I'm a down south music type person, you know, Jeezy, T.I., Yo Gotti. Anyways, so of course you get like a little carrying case. I guess you probably won't need this really if it comes with this case. So let's just put that to the side. And this is like a nice wave material. Like, I'm not sure if you can hear that. Yes, this is quality, ladies and gentlemen, quality. So looks like you have a zipper right here. It just kind of opens up. So first, start the show, headphones itself. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful presentation. The black and gold finish. I forgot to mention, these are for my son. My son picked these out. Paid for them by itself. Proud of you, son. Good job. Yeah, this is, he did it. This is, bruh, this is screaming fashion like all over the place. But yes, of course, right here with the gold finish, like that's, yeah, they came correct. Beats by Beats came correct with the 4 right there. Cause these other solo 4s. Beautiful presentation. Wow. Okay, Beats. Yeah, these fold up like that, so you can, you know, store it back in this carrying case. Let's put that to the side, see what else is in the packaging. So we're kind of going here. There's like a sleeve up here. So it looks like we have it's like an audio cable, like an auxiliary stereo auxiliary cable right there. So that's if you have like an old school device that doesn't have Bluetooth and things of that nature, you can use the auxiliary. I'm assuming that plugs in, yes, right there on the bottom. So that's where you'll make your auxiliary connection. Kind of just do like, you know, you get the picture, you know. So let's put that to the side. Let's put these back to the side. What else is in here? Let's see. Keep it going. This is probably the USB-C cable, I'm assuming. Let's see. Yes, USB-C. So of course that'll be for charging, you know, typical Bluetooth headphones. Charge it so you get that 50-hour battery life. But yes, what else is in there? That's it. So just a little quick unboxing. I'm gonna throw all this back in here, you know, for presentation purposes. So instead of unboxing, now we're going to box it back up. Like that. Take your headphones. Like that. Throw them in here. Like that. Zip it back up. Like that. Take your box. Oh, also in the box, got some paperwork. Typical, you know, kind of don't need that, but we'll keep that for presentation and quality purposes. But yes, and of course you got like a little Beat company branding right there. But yeah, that's Apple, Beats, Dr. Dre. I see you. Anyways, it's a quick unboxing of the Beats Solo 4. Just doing it simple, you know. I'm not finna, like I said, I'm not finna get in depth on the tech specifications and stuff like that, but this is going to sound amazing on this Xbox Ally. But also if you have an iPhone or Android, Samsung Galaxy, you know, Nintendo Switch, whatever you have, these are going to sound beautiful on these Beats Solo 4s. So anyways, this little quick video, quick unboxing. It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD. You know my slogan, they gonna learn today. All right, y'all.